What's going on, YouTube? How's everybody doing? How's everybody's summer been? I hope it's been great. Mine has been great. It's been very busy. It's actually why I haven't been able to post very much at all lately. It's been about 6 months, but I'm back now, ready to be posting new content again for your viewing pleasure. What better to start with than none other than Burger King? What do we have today? So you're probably thinking to yourself, it's Burger King, it's nothing special. Well, what do we have here? The Impossible Whopper. So this is hilarious. I started recording, but I wasn't taking the sound down. I had already started digging into this thing. Forgive me, guys, forgive me. But whatever, I gotta get back into the swing of it. Making these videos, kind of lost my touch, but we'll get it back. Let's just turn it this way and act like I haven't started eating it already. Looks pretty normal. This patty looks very formed. Them edges are crisp. Straight up 90-degree angles all around. But it looks good. It is good. I tried it already. I couldn't tell it wasn't meat, actually. I mean, I lied. When you eat it by itself, it doesn't really taste too beefy. It kind of has the same texture. I got it with cheese. The cheese, I guess, is real. Unless they got some vegan cheese or whatever. It's funny, right? Because I did order a bacon cheeseburger that I was going to take down after this in case if this was bad. But luckily I won't have to do that. This is pretty good. This is good. I'd get this again. I can't tell if that's real cheese or not. If anybody knows, if you get the Impossible Whopper with cheese, and if they give you some sort of vegan cheese, let me know, because I can't really tell the difference. Like, it has the same texture of the cheese, of normal cheese. It's good. Maybe this is not real cheese. It doesn't really, I don't know. That's it. That was really good. I recommend trying it. I would get it again. It has a nice char flavor to it. Not really too beefy or anything like that, but it's a great substitute for the actual burger. I definitely recommend it. So that was my lunch for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Drop a comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want. If you have any suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.